My name is Abhijit Chaudhary, and today I will explain in this lecture how to do a measurement of DAC block. So as we can see, this is a DAC block. It looks like this, and here we can see one, two, and a third hole. So as you can see, the first hole is 14.5 diameter, and this is the thickness of a 19 mm. And this one is a 4.5 diameter. This one is a 9.5 diameter. So the first step to do a DSE test piece is calibrate the angle probe. We need to use a 70-degree angle probe, and we are measuring calibrated with the V2 block. I will show you how the calibrated values. As you can see, I have set the gate at the 25, and as you can see, it is showing V1 25. So we know that our angle probe is calibrated. Now we will go to DAC block. So first step we will calibrate is 14.5 diameter first, and now I will we need to show diameter 14, B1 42, and we are getting S1 of 39. So our first point is totally accurate. As we are moving to second point, now in the first point we need to freeze and save that DAC point. So we will give that, as you can see, 39, 42 and 14. Now I will save it. Save this DAC, go to on, DAC is on, and go add this point. Now we can be, as you can see, we have added a point. Now I will move to the second point. The second point, this is the first point, this is the second, this is the third point. So I will go to the second point. So as you can see in the second point, take some couplant here. So that second point we need to get a diameter of 4. Now I will continue in the direction of 9.5. We are taking the second point of DAC. So I will keep my angle probe here at this direction because the point is here, whole diameter. And we need to adjust also dB. First point we have kept the dB at highest, that's why the point was here. That second point we need to decrease the dB. After decreasing the dB, we need to give the value of SP83. So we will give SP83, and SD value is 78, correct, and D is okay. Now I will give the DAC add point, correct. Now we have done the second point. As for the third point, now I will move the DAC block towards the diameter size of first dot. Now for the third point, how we will do the third point? First we will decrease the dB. I will decrease the dB. We don't have to check the highest in this third point. Just give that, and we will set the range, not the range, but we need to move the gate first. I will move the gate here to 120. Gate start will be go for, that's it. Gate start a little bit. That's it, and we need to have that value of 127. I will decrease the gate. As we can see in the third point, after we need to set the dB range. I have set as a dB range of 69, and by adjusting the angle probe going backwards direction, we need to give SP of 127. We got the 127, and SD value of 119. We got the 119 because it is a 70-degree probe. That's why, and the diameter is okay, perfect. Now I will give the DSC point. DSC head. Perfect. Now after adding this point, we have got 3 values, 3 points. Now I will give done. As we can see, a line is created. After the creation of the line, if you want it to be shown as a different type, like as we can see, yeah, DAC mode. In DAC mode, I will choose parabolic. I am getting a curve like this. So you can see as this is the DAC block is completed.